How to activate Walmart Rewards Mastercard Canada. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss how you can activate your Walmart Rewards Mastercard Canada. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you will want to do is open up your web browser. Then there you can see Walmart credit card account management and everything. So let's head over to this one first, that is Walmart Reward Mastercard, to check out the Mastercard. So as you can see, you can apply for the Mastercard from here as well. And after you've done that, if you want to now finally activate your card, what you'll need to do is head over to this Walmart credit card account management. And under the account management, you should find how you can activate the card. Let's search for activate. And there you can see this application and activation topic. Head over to activation and activation topic. And right here, you'll see how do I activate my card. Now, if you tap on it, you'll find how you can activate it. All you have to do is call this number right here to activate your card and start earning. So just call this number. After you call this number, your customer service will pick it up. And after they do, just follow whatever they say and the card will get activated. And that's how easy it is to activate your Walmart Rewards Mastercard. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.